So welcome back, this is Susil with another video. In this Python series we're gonna learn about the comment. What is comment, what are the comment, and how to use comment in Python, right? So all the things we'll cover in this video, so keep watching till end. So without any delay, let's get started. So comment are the statement in Python, right, which is used to explain the code to make it more readable, right? So it is not considered as part of this program. I mean to say, in other words, you can say that the compiler ignores the comment or are not executed by the compiler, right? So there are two types of comment: single line comment and multi-line comment, right? So single line comment basically used for the single line, and multi-line comments basically used for the block of code, right? So single line comments use the hash symbol. Hash symbol is used for single line comments. So let's see how we can do it, right? So this hash symbol is used. So hash symbol, this is single line comment. So this is single line comment, right? So you can see here the compiler ignored it, right? So it's not executed by the compiler. So let me show you, like, you are excellent. So here you can see I'm printing you are excellent, but here you will notice that this is single line comment. This comment is not executed by the compiler. So let's print it. So here you can see the output, you are excellent only, right? So this is ignored. This statement is ignored by the compiler, right? The same, another we have a multi-line comment, right, which is used for block of code, right? Multi-line comments is used to comment the block of code, and triple quotes are used for multi-line comments, right? Triple quotes are used for multi-line comments. So let's see how we can do it. And anything written in these triple quotes, so these a statement are not executed. Anything written in the inside the triple quotes or between the triple quotes are ignored by the compiler, right? So let's see. So inside the triple quotes, right, so this is multi-line comments, right? So I'm writing here the no, I'm writing a program here, okay, to add two number, right? So let's see. So basically to explain the code what you are doing, right? So write a program to add two numbers and store it into the third number, right? So this is a statement, right? So as I told you before that comments are are the statement that is used to explain the code to make it more readable, right? So this is a multi-line comment, right? So I'm adding the two number, something like this, into, and I store the value in third variable, right? So j is equal to a plus b, and print it like you know some j, right, and run it. Here you can see the output is 37, right? So you can notice here that this statement, this is multi-line comment that start with the triple quotes, right? So anything inside the triple quotes are not executed by the compiler, right? So it is ignored by the compiler, right? So anything inside the triple quotes are ignored. So this is a multi-line comments how we write. So you can see the only output, right, sum 37, and this statement is ignored by the compiler, right? It is only for to explain the code to make it more readable, right? So thank you for watching, and if you guys new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press a bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming video. So stay updated and see you in the next video.